You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word from Spanish designating a rattlesnake, what is known in English as rattlesnakes. In Spanish pronunciation, serpiente, serpiente, that's Spanish for snake. Serpiente de cascabel, cascabel. I believe cascabel is like a little bell. So it's the snake with the bells on the tail, of course. Serpiente de cascabel, serpiente de cascabel. So if you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, you can say it as serpiente de cascabel. Serpiente de cascabel. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.